Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make avocado oil at home step by step using an easy and effective method. Avocado oil is not only a natural solution for nourishing your hair but also works wonders as a treatment for dandruff, dryness and itchy scalp. So guys, stay tuned, relax, sit back and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Welcome back guys, my name is Rita. So let's dive right into this process. I started with fresh avocados which I washed off camera to ensure they were clean and ready to use. So after washing, I cut the avocados open, scoop out the meat and place it on a plate. So after scooping these avocados into the plate, I went ahead to use a fork. I mashed this avocado into a smooth consistency. This process ensures that there is no large chunk in our avocado. So you need to mash them up properly in order to get a smooth consistency. After matching the avocado, I went ahead to add about a cup of olive oil in a saucepan over a medium heat. So once it was warm but not hot, I added the matched avocado to the oil and then I started to stir it because this helped to prevent it from burning and to also help the avocado to infuse into the oil. So guys, before we continue into this process, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with somebody who loves DIY hair care tips. Also leave a comment below and let me know if you ever try making your own hair oil. You can also follow me at Riri on Facebook and Instagram and also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you as you do so. And guys, while watching my video, please don't skip the advert guys. Please, this means a lot for my video to thrive. Please don't skip the advert. Watch the advert to the end guys. Thank you so much as you do so.
CG.
So guys, I continued stirring this for about 7 minutes and once it was looking like this, I took it off the stove and allowed it to cool. To achieve a pure and clean avocado oil, I used a double sieving method to remove any particles. The result ending a beautiful smooth green avocado oil that is perfect for your hair care routine. So avocado oil is ideal for people struggling with dandruff or those who want to nourish and protect their hair naturally. This oil helps to protect your hair against heat damage. It also helps to lock in moisture whenever you use it on a wet hair, and you can also use it for a relaxing scalp massage to tackle dandruff and dryness. So this is the best oil for you, especially when you're looking for a treatment for a dandruff or dryness. So guys, after sieving this, let's take a look at the final product guys. This is the rich vibrant green avocado oil ever made. So simple, right? This is so simple guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer this into a container or a bottle just to keep it fresh and ready to use. I use this on my hair, I use it on my children's hair. In fact, everybody in my household uses this oil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my DIY beauty and hair care tutorials. Also leave a comment below and let me know how you plan to use your avocado oil or if you tried this method before. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah.